Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight, to everyone, wherever you are, from WendyStyles. We are here to bring you guys the best short hairstyles that are really trending, this year 2023. And this month February, is a month of love. We have selected this gorgeous and trending short natural hairstyles for beautiful black women. Some of them have the melanin skin, and you got to watch this video to the end. Take a good look on this tour. This tour is looking so gorgeous. I love the color. I want you guys to see the after of this hair, after using the right products to really pre-lighten the hair. You just got to see this blonde. This is a beautiful matured woman, so no matter the kind of color you use on your hair, you're gonna look classy, you're gonna look beautiful. And this hairstyles you can see today, you can see how it's gonna take many years from this woman. Take a good look on the slick, beautiful short hairstyles. Definitely this hairstyle will suit all face shape, whether you have the round face, whether you have the oval face or the oblong face. Those hairstyles we have carefully selected for you guys will definitely fit your face, and it's a hairstyle you can wear for any occasion. If you have that big party you want to attend, or you want to go for that beautiful ceremony, or even to church, this hairstyle definitely will really make eyes turn, wherever you are. And one thing with short hairstyles is that it will turn eyes in every occasion. If you really want that hairstyles that will make you look unique, that will make you look classy, I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end, because this is one of the best short hairstyles that you will not regret watching. And if you want to go for that big chop, I would advise you to go for that big chop, because here we have beautiful short hairstyles highlighted that will really boost your confidence, the kind of hairstyle that will accentuate your face shape and bring it to cheekbone, make you look so beautiful and classy. Don't forget to use the right accessories, a kind of big bold earrings that will bring out the color of your hair, or use the right makeup. I love this beautiful low cut hairstyle. This is really a low maintenance hairstyle. It's a wash and go style, you can see. So for those that love the pattern, you can go for the side pattern, you can go for the slant pattern, you can go for the curve pattern. If you don't want the pattern, you can just go for the simple natural low cut hairstyles. For those women that don't want to spend a lot of time in front of the mirror, you just want something, you wake up from the sleep and you're good to go, this is the hairstyle for you. And for the lovers of low to no hair at all, so I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. I appreciate every one of you, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys. Please still look to WendyStyles, and if you've not subscribed, subscribe. Help me share this video. Let us take WendyStyles to 90,000 subscribers. We can do it, and I trust you guys. Help me to share this video, tell your loved one to subscribe. And those that are looking for styles, inspirational ideas for them to style their short hairstyle, you are in the right place, because short hairstyles really live here. I appreciate you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.